So how to manage Salesforce without a dedicated admin? One of the most common questions that I get after an implementation of Salesforce is like, okay, now what's next? We don't have a full admin. We don't have a T. They get overwhelmed because it's kind of like, okay, I just received this new brand car and I know how to drive it, but who's going to be doing the maintenance? Or kind of like it's a living being in a way, how I will keep good care of it. And that's a smart question and a very good one because you need to be thinking of, great, now that I have this tool, how I can make sure that it continue performing as I want to, especially for my organization, without requiring to build a team or going and search for different roles that you don't know how to search. And let's be realistic, your focus is your business, not run Salesforce or a Salesforce practice. That's why we're here. So we know that Salesforce doesn't run itself. Your data needs to stay clean, your automation needs to evolve, and your business to change. And Salesforce releases updates 3 times a year. I know that sounds overwhelming, but we're here to help you. And without a plan, of course, even the best system will slow, drift, and not be in sync with what you need. And doesn't count with the changes that you might want from your team, the evolution of your business itself, or perhaps the scalability. And again, you need to be focused on your business, not in the technology. That's why we're here. Now, you don't need a full IT department to keep Salesforce running. What you need is a clear ownership, meaning that internally, who is the responsible or the gatekeeper of features, changes? What do you need? What's really adding value to your organization? Second, strong training. The users needs to understand how to use Salesforce for each of their roles, because sometimes you put somebody in a different seat, and that's where you start having issues because they don't understand the process. That's training at the end or communication. And then last but not least, constant optimization, regular check-ins, health checks, health reviews, and automation updates, especially the health checks, because we try to push all our customers to do the best practices of the market, and that saves a lot of issues. We can discuss that in a different video, but consistency optimization is key. Please don't forget that. And these 3 things prevent your system to going stale. And we have the right process, the right team that could be allocated for your needs as you progress in this journey. Now, even the most successful organization, they need to balance between internal help and external help. What this means, you will know your business, we will know the technology. The question is how we balance that to make sure that we give you value and we're not just building automations or integrations just because it's a nice shiny object or it's because it's the new AI. So your team focuses on customers. That's where you create more revenue. And we help you to handle the technical side. That's the best of both worlds. That's exactly what Pisco Continuum Hypercare provides, ongoing Salesforce management for small and scaling businesses who want expert support without hiring a full admin. Doesn't mean that you cannot hire it eventually, but at least for the first phases of your escalation process for your company, we're here to support you, and we can scale up and down if you need it, just as an FYI. Now, will 20 minutes of your time will be worth seeing how to keep Salesforce optimized without hiring a full admin or team? Visit piscocrm.com and let's schedule a call so we can help you. Thank you.